Come enjoy peaceful country living at its finest. This custom country home overlooks mountains to the west and is located just 20 minutes from McMinnville on 10 secluded acres. The tranquil homestead includes a stocked pond, a 48 by 48-foot pole barn, and even a custom-built chicken coop. Head inside and discover a warm, inviting interior with soaring ceilings and walls of windows. Thoughtfully designed, the open floor plan is filled with natural light. Glass doors open to the expansive deck, where you can relax and take in the panoramic views and soak in the ever-changing views of the seasons. From the custom-built hickory cabinetry to the gorgeous granite, no detail is overlooked. Enjoy convenient access to the wraparound deck for nearly endless entertaining options. This 3-bedroom home has 2 bedrooms on the main level and a full bath. The upper level is your own spacious master suite with a built-in granite top desk, walk-in closet, and master bath with a dual sink vanity and tiled walk-in shower. Have fun tinkering in your pole barn, complete with full electricity. Relax while fishing on your private stocked pond after a long day. Unwind on the deck, or pick fresh fruit from your mature orchard. A private oasis with a gorgeous custom home. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Michele Bundy with Premier Property Group.